Tori Templet is best known for participating in NBC's television singing reality show The Voice Season 27. She sings Taylor Swift's Lover on The Voice blind auditions. Tori is struggling in her lower register, but her tone shines on the chorus. Her sound is pretty and infectious. She hits the higher notes without struggle. Michael and the picky Adam both turn. She's the epitome of Gen Z as she has built up her passion through a strong social media following. It helped her earn recognition to be added to coffee shop playlist globally. For her blind audition, she sings Lover by Taylor Swift. Her tone is smooth and soulful while remaining powerful, and she can sing nearly any genre. This Atlanta native grew up with August's divas like Demi Lovato and Miley Cyrus. She works full-time for a sandwich company. She works on their social media. She has over 100k followers on social media. A coffee shop picked up one of her songs. Kelsey calls herself a huge Taylor Swift fan. Michael wants to hear her sing jazz songs in her breathy voice. John appreciated her tone. Adam hears cool stuff. He compares her to Maggie Star. The Zoomer knows who they are. Adam picked a few constructive things he wants to help her with. Tori picks Team Adam. Michael and Adam turn. Tori picks Team Adam. But she would up getting a two-cheer turn with her whispery voice. John even suggested that it sounded like she was almost whistling under the notes. With her guitar, it's very evident in which direction she wants to see her career go. Her tone has a bit of a ping that the original lacks. It's proper. In a time when Taylor Swift has dominated the globe, everyone wants to find the next iteration. Her stage presence based on her past shows is also very engaging, and her vocals are flawless.